In this video, you will learn how to record a bounce check in QuickBooks Online. First, go to the customer payment record, then click on Sales in the left menu. Select Customers and find the customer who gave you a bounce check. Click to open the payment link to the bounce check. Unapply the payment in the invoice. In the payment screen, uncheck the invoice the check was applied to. Save and close. This will put the invoice back as unpaid. Create a bounce check free. If your bank charges you a fee, you want to charge the customer a fee. Click New and then click Bank Deposit. Choose the bank account and enter a fee as a negative amount using an expense such as bank fee. Or create a new service item for bounce check fees and add it to your invoice for the customer. Create a journal entry to reflect the bounce amount. Click the plus button and New, then select Journal Entry. Debit account receivables for the amount of the check. Credit to the bank account for the same amount. In the name column, select the customer. Apply the journal entry to the customer's open invoice. Go to the New, then Receive Payment. Select the customer and apply the journal entry to the open invoice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.